Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Files app where your ZIP lives. Tap the ZIP file once to preview it. If it only shows info, long press the file to reveal the menu. Choose Uncompress or Quick Look, then the Extract option. Make sure you are in the right folder or cloud location so extracted files save where you expect. Once done, check the new folder named after the ZIP. You can tap into it to confirm contents and file types before moving or sharing. Now you handle the extracted files. Tap the created folder to see everything. You can open documents or play media directly. If a file won't open, make sure you have a compatible app installed. To organize, tap Select, choose Items, then move to send them to iCloud Drive, on my iPad, or another folder. Once moved, confirm permissions if sharing. If you need to compress again, select Files and choose Archive to recreate a ZIP for transfer or storage. Finish by verifying every important file opens and by cleaning up the original ZIP if you don't need it. If extraction fails, move the ZIP into on my iPad and try again. Cloud sync issues can block extraction. Make sure you have enough free space. Large archives need room to expand. If a file type won't open, install an appropriate app and reopen from the extracted folder. Finally, once everything works, delete unnecessary copies to reclaim storage and avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.